Out here, 189 Commodore, Norfolk. It's Commodore Place. Nice neighborhood, 4 bedrooms. Um, 4 bedrooms, excuse me, 2 baths. This is inside. Beautiful house here. This house is going for 250, I think. Window units. This goes outside. We'll go out that way in a minute. So this is here. It's living room, burning fireplace. This is okay. Closet. Another closet. This is the bedroom, it looks like. Nice fan blowing. Oh, okay. That's the front door back there. Now the bathroom here. What's up with this tub? I don't know. Some of the paint peeled off or something. Humble. Okay. Traditional cabinets. No ice maker. Nice range. So we go out back here. This is like the sitting area. Oh, this is the garage, first of all. Let's go back here. Okay. Fairly new water heater, gas. Gas heat, which is all good. Efficient. Got a sink in here. You can actually probably make this into a bathroom, and a spare room by putting a bathroom in here. That's from the master bedroom. Decent shed. I'd say the only downfall is the AC in a window. We ain't even go upstairs yet. Definitely got good heat though, it looks like. Okay, I don't know what this is. Damn. There it is. I don't think this opens. Okay, it doesn't open. You got good vinyl windows in the house. Gas, heat again. I said that. So that it's cooled by window units. See, now let's figure out how to get up this gas. That's a gas burning fireplace, because I see the gas turning valve down there on the floor. And then when you go upstairs, bathroom. Good bones. Definitely good bones up in here. This is another bedroom. Plenty of heat up here. Be kind. Put an offer in. Another window unit. These are the closets. Oh, wow. Look at this little room. Okay. 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 That will conclude the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Talk to you later.